In this video, I will show you how to create layer in AutoCAD. So click on this layers, click on layer properties. In this dialog box, here click on new layer, give a name, and here you can change particular color, size, line type like continuous, and line weight. You can select your required size. Similarly, you can create as many as you need. Give any name like layer 2, wall, or door. What about you want to create the layer? You can make it on off by clicking here. So make changes as you need. Here you can like write description about this one. So this is the way you can create the layer in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.